Alright guys, we are going to do an unboxing video. This is the second box I got from xtool, and these are just the extras that came with it. Pretty excited about this. This was all included. I think I might have just broken my scissors. This was all included with the package deal that I got. I forget which one I got, but I didn't get like the biggest package. There's some that come with like automatic fire extinguishers and stuff like that. I did not get that, although I can see why it would be super convenient. That's not something that I chose to get. So we shall see what this all is in here. I have not used my machine yet, but I'm pretty excited to get that set up and going. So the first thing we have here, tap down there, is the riser base and the automatic conveyor feeder. And I'm not quite sure what all this stuff is yet. There's the automatic conveyor feeder. We've got the riser base. I know the riser base, supporting conveyor feeder. Okay. I know the riser base helps so you can do like bigger projects. We are not going to do that. That is very heavy. So then the next one we have is the material box. So we're going to go ahead and open that. We're going to set that aside for now. Another box. And of course these are not labeled, so I'm going to go ahead and open those with you. So the riser base actually helps you can do larger projects, and the rotary tool, which is cool. That's nice for like cups and things like that. So we're going to move that aside and go ahead and open up the smaller boxes that came with for materials. All right, we've got this little guy first. And I think these are just all samples of different things you can do with your machine before you go ahead and order it in bulk. We've got a rainbow silicone magnetic phone case, although I don't see anything really rainbow about this. So it's kind of funny with like a little clip. So we could do that. Let's open up the next box. It's kind of cool that they do provide you samples just so you can kind of test things out. Oh, another phone case. This one is green. I do like that color. And I'm not sure which phone this is even for. It doesn't even say on here, which is strange, but it's cool. And then we've got this box. We'll go ahead and slice the tape on this one. I was gonna say what that is. Some type of wood item. I'm not even sure what that is. Doesn't say. And maybe it's just so you can figure out. Oh, I'm not really sure. I'll have to look that one up. And then we've got this little box. Oh, this is kind of fancy. Ooh, this is cool. This one comes with a necklace. I didn't even know you could engrave on this kind of stuff. Actually, 3 of those same necklaces. And that is it. So some things to practice on. All right. Cool. So it says 300 plus materials from xtool selected: plywood, acrylic, vinyl, packaged material, silicone, metal, leather, hardwood. So yeah, I guess we will just kind of play with this, and thought I'd do an unboxing video with you guys and just share what I've gotten, and once I decide to start engraving this stuff, I will definitely have you guys there with me to go through everything and see how it works out. Thanks for watching.